Hello, genders! How are you all? Here I am back with another brand new episode on this channel, and today I'm gonna make another flower with pipe cleaner or chenille stems. So, not to miss anything, please don't skip this video and watch till the end. Let's get started! To make the beautiful flower, I need some basic stuff, and this is the green stem, the sky blue. मुझे colors के नाम उतने अच्छे से याद नहीं रहते, so don't judge me please. And here we go, the thick wire that I need to make the stem more stronger. So I need this one. ये बहुत से मतलब बहुत type के मिल जाते हैं, इससे thin भी मिल जाती है. This is a thinner small piece of wire that I need to bind and make the flower strong, and this is the green tip and strongest glue I found in the China on the internet, and this is the scissors. That's all I need. So let's begin with the petals. तो मैंने यहाँ पर कुछ chenille stems ले लिए, and before cutting it I'm gonna fold it into equal pieces and then I'll cut it. Keep that in mind that I have to cut it into equal pieces, okay? तो यही हमारा petals होंगे of roses. तो अब यहाँ मैं एक और stem ले लूँगी. ये ले लिया मैंने, and then I'll fold it again. I'm folding again. But this process, you need to look at it very carefully, like literally. Now taking each piece from this जो मैंने यहाँ पर अभी करके रखा है, and bending it into a petal shape. You can make the end pointy or rounded depending on the look you want. But जो चीज़ ध्यान में रखने की ज़रूरत है वो है कि gently give it a curvy shape. I mean, if you put more pressure, then you will not get a good shape, so keep that in mind and then press it gently. तो ये वाला जो मैं बना रही हूँ, this one is the first petal, I mean the smaller one, जो अंदर की तरफ रहती है वो वाला. और बताते रहूँगी कि कितनी मतलब how much difference you need to put from the middle and the third and the fourth. So देखते रहो, and I'm gonna say everything about making these petals and many details about this. See, I'm gently pressing it, and this much curve I need for this petal. That's all. So it's done, and let's make the second one. So for the second one, इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा सा different होगा क्योंकि just see, I made this tip and I'm covering the tip here, and then one more piece in right and the left side. ध्यान से देखना, this petal I'm making larger than the previous one. You can see, right? Just take a look carefully. One piece for the right side here, the bending, and for the left side, see, I turned it, okay? So don't be confused about that. And then as a more reverse, that's all. And again, देख लो side में सब सही है कि ना. So, and according to your preference, just curve it, gently press it, and then you'll get a good curvy petal. And then let's make the third one. So yeah, let's make the third one. For this third one, I'm following the same process just like the first one. यहाँ पर जो मैंने tip बनाया, see the tip. So I'm putting the piece just next to this tip, and then bending it But this petal, the third one, is the larger one I'm making, and this side is completed. And now it's time to complete the other one, just leaving the tape next to the tape and bending with the pieces, and then it's completed. And after that, gently press it to get a good curvy shape of the petals. That's all you need. तो यहाँ पर मैंने और भी बना के रखा है. Let me show you 3 type of them. I made the 3 type of them. तो यहाँ पर मैंने हर एक का बना के रखा है. Let me show you. See, and now it's time to make the leaf. For making the leaf, मैं 3 अलग अलग बनाऊंगी, उसके बाद फिर जोड़ दूंगी. This is the simple process. If you have seen my previous video, you should definitely know this process. तो एक बात यहाँ पर भी बतानी ज़रूरत है कि जो मैंने ये पापड़ियाँ बनाई है ना, मतलब कि पेटल्स जो मैंने बनाई है, तो इसमें क्या है ना, तो जो फर्स्ट वाला मैंने बनाया था उसमें 3 पापड़ी है. You can see that here. And for the middle one I made 5 petals, and for the larger one I made 6 petals. You will see, definitely you will see. And for the leaves, let me tell you, तो ये जो जोड़ दिया मैंने यहाँ पर जो important thing is, see this 2 leaf, I have to keep it in similar line. तो ही अच्छा लगेगा, मतलब कि रोज़ की अगर लीफ तुम लोगों को याद होगी तो फिर ऐसा ही होता है, ऑलमोस्ट तो रखना ही होगा ना. एंड देन bend it with, जो मैंने बोला था एक पतला वायर, तो उससे मैंने जोड़ दिया. एंड देन इट्स रेडी. तो यहाँ पर मैंने एक और भी बना के रखा है, सेम, जस्ट सेम, और फिर इसे मैं जोड़ दूंगी with this super glue. See, I told you I made 3 petals in similar size for the first one, and for the middle one I made 5 similar size of the petals, and for the larger one I made 6 similar size of the petals. तो ये मैं सुपर ग्लू की सहायता से तो जोड़ दूंगी, but I made a mistake here, you know, it's a vital mistake. क्योंकि बस तुम देखो कहाँ पर मैंने मिस्टेक किया है. कर्व तो मैंने किया है, but out curl, this part is really important. I'm just like, how could I forget this one? In curl is good, but I had to make this out curl, right? इसके बगैर तो वो जो natural feel होती है flowers की, petals की, वो तो होगी ही नहीं. So pay attention and don't forget to fold this one. I mean, don't forget this step. अब एक एक करके ये super glue की help से मैं जोड़ दूंगी, and then, पर मुझे ना, this glue is really good. Chinese glue है, पर this one is good. पर क्या है ना, ये फ्लावर्स को सूखने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है, तो मैं क्या करूँगी, जो एक पतला वायर है उससे ना मैं इसको बाइंड कर दूँगी, तो फिर ये ग्लू से तो चिपके रहेगी obviously. But the thing is, if I use that wire, then it should not get out. I mean, just look on it. तो मैं फिर से बता देती हूँ कि फर्स्ट वाला जो मैंने बनाया था उसमें मैंने 2 pieces I've used, and for the middle one I used 3 pieces of those cut stem, and for the larger one, or the last one, I used 4 pieces of those cut stems. That's it. And see, this is the where I was talking about, that after using the glue I just bent this with this thin wire, and this was really helpful. And now it's for the sepal. of the flowers, green sepal. तो इसमें क्या है ना, वही सेम चीज़ है. I took chenille stem and then cut in a equal pieces and then fold it. Just that. It's easy. You can see. And then again, I used the glue to stick it on, but I still used that wire to be extra careful. It's not like that the glue is not that strong. That glue is really strong, but still my mind says to do that. So, and this is the green tape I told in the beginning. ये बहुत सारी कलर्स में मिल जाती है, ऑनलाइन में अवेलेबल है. You can check that and buy that according to your preference, obviously. And I'm adjusting this leaf. एक बात बताओ, पता है क्या, चाइनीज लोगों ना ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत पसंद आती है. Trust me, I've seen them. And that's it. I really enjoyed making these flowers. What about you? Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comment section. And I have made other flowers with the chenillestem also. You should definitely check those out. Though you can get the link above here or here. Go and check that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hook to the channel. Share with your friend. Shower your love to this channel, and please give a thumbs up. Leave your thoughts in the comment box about it, about this video, about this process of making flower, making rules, और कौन सा वाला rules ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. Don't forget to say it in the comment box. And hit the bell icon so that you never ever miss any of my content. I always make art videos and posts here in this channel. So that's it. And hook to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.